Up for sale, 1969 Chevy C10 short bed. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please have a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 C10 short bed, finished in black with black interior, frame off restored, 383 Holley Sniper fuel injection, turbo 350 trans, power steering, power front disc brakes, air conditioning, and more. And as always, go around it, point out anything I do see, tell you everything I do know about it, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So of course, we will start here in the front. And like I said, frame off restored, the undercarriage, beautifully detailed. You see all the new bolts, all the new parts. The paint is show quality. It's very, very much like the orange and white truck I currently have. However, with the black, you really see all the detail. The quality really shows. But you'll see it as I go around it. Front bumper, of course, new. Your trim and your bezels in the front have all been replaced as well. Grill, whatnot. It's got a cowl hood on there, a steel cowl hood, and actually it just goes with the look. The truck's also been lowered, so it's got a nice stance. You got Riddler wheels on there where you can see the disc brakes through it. Great look. And what size are these? These are 18s. The 18s in the back. 18s, okay. So all four 18-inch. And just look at the quality of the paint here. Look at the reflection that you see on the building. Look at me. I know there's some dust on the paint that you can see, but like, beautiful detail. All the glass has been replaced, seals, weather stripping, you know, mirrors, every little thing in this. Pop it open, the hood, 383 aluminum intake. It's got the Holley Sniper. I did take a picture of that. You'll see that on the ad. Air conditioning. It's got a different pulley system on it, power steering, headers, and you can just get an idea of the frame there. Brake booster master cylinder for the power front disc brakes. And again, just looking at the paint on the firewall, you can see the detail on this. You can see the detail and looking in the, you know, the inner fenders here and whatnot. Components for the AC. It blows cold, of course, as you would expect. Smooth as silk, turnkey, you know, turn it over, let the sniper fill up. When it's done, turn it, fires up every single time, no problems there. A lot of power too, she definitely moves. So, but you'll get to hear it run, and we'll show you drive a little bit later on in the video. And again, you know, nicely painted under hood there. Motor looks great. And then we'll start down here. I mean, look at that reflection off of behind me. Again, new windshield. I know that these have been replaced as well, which is nice. I mean, you know, going the extra a little bit here. There's two little marks. This is like a little smudge from a water stain, but there's two little there. But like, look how nice this lines up. There's a little chip right there, actually. Look how nice this lines up, going all the way up. Your finish in there is exactly how you want it to be. New back window, new seal for that as well. Tonneau cover. And one thing I love, which I'm just going to go ahead and jump straight to it, is that the bed is a legit bed. It's not China parts. It's not, you know, brand new and they threw it on. There's little dents in there, little stuff like that, but that's what you want to see. You want an original bed. Handles are new. You see the detail here and around and down. No painted over bolts or locks. Coming into with just a super mint door corner. No Bondo, no reworked. And then you look under there for the under door. No rust there either. Once again, new interior, new carpet, dash pad, gauge cluster paint on the dash. Bench seat, a little custom, very tasteful. Really like the way that looks. And, you know, paint inside the cab is how you want it to be. Different steering wheel. And oh, it also sounds pretty awesome. So just to give you an idea, you hear the little hum. It's also a factory tack truck, which works. So there's that. Radio works. Again, the AC works. It comes out there. Whatnot. No cracks in the dash pad. Again, I did say it was replaced. Of course, no rips on the seats, but again, on a new seat, you wouldn't expect to see any rips anyway. I'm going to refocus my camera real quick. See one little mark right there. Really, just look how straight this body is. New rear bumper, new stainless steel exhaust. I see a couple little marks on that edge there that you see right there. Nothing over here. You can get a little glimpse in there of the frame. Bed lines up perfectly to the cab. Door lines up super nice on that edge, as well as to the rocker. Replacement glass as well. But again, look at that detail here, that finish all the way around. Again, no painted over bolts, down to another just fantastic door corner. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. And the doors fit nice. You know, sometimes you got to slam them. Really nice, just that fitment, the opening and closing. And look how nice all this lines up. But anyway, 69 C10 short bed, finished in black interior, 383, turbo 350 trans, Holley Sniper fuel injection unit on it, power steering, power front disc brakes, air conditioning. It's lowered in the front. Stainless steel exhaust. Custom interior. And there's one thing I'd like to show you. So I just noticed was an interesting component is where am I looking? Oh, this in here. This Bell Tech. I took a picture of that. But that's a different unit. I think that makes it handle a lot nicer in the front. But again, look how nice this is just from looking in this area here. And you can see the new bushing right there. And look at that stamping on the frame. That's what you want to see. So, anyway, we're going to fire her up now and then drive her. Thank you. Wait for it to shut off. It's also got tilt column.
Yeah, it's nice.
I forgot about that.